that is sung during the closing credits of the film, In Dreams it's called. She helped Howard direct the boys' choir. It was a London school choir with a wonderful young boy.
Edward Ross, he's probably about 12 years old. He represented the boys, and it was a boy soloist for the choir.
That song was recorded in the number 2 studio at Abbey Road, which is where the Beatles did all their recording. And as a huge Beatle fan, I was incredibly thrilled to be there, find myself there recording a song for our movie.
Used Elvish, Sindarin, and Quenya in the score, actually sung in the score. Today we did a boys' choir, so this was a way to get some of the detail of the story back into the film.